Your mind is your greatest ally, or your worst enemy. Every decision, every habit, every emotion starts with thought. And yet, most people walk through life with broken thinking, chained to patterns that sabotage them daily. But the Stoics discovered lessons so powerful, so sharp, that they can rewire your mind and restore clarity. Here are 12 Stoic lessons that, if you live them, can fix your thinking and give you back control of your life. Lesson 1: Focus only on what you control. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. The world will always be chaos. People will insult you. Fortune will shift. Plans will fail. If you anchor your peace to those things, you will drown every day. But here's the hidden truth. When you stop wasting energy on what you cannot change, you unleash energy for what you can. The moment you say, "This is not mine," you stop bleeding strength. Control belongs to you again. Lesson 2: Stop suffering. Twice, Seneca taught, we suffer more in imagination than in reality. Fear multiplies pain. You rehearse disasters that never arrive, stab yourself with shadows, and then collapse when reality finally comes. Ask yourself, how many nights have you lost to fear of events that never happened? Stop carrying burdens that are not real. Let reality hurt you once, not imagination 1,000 times. Lesson 3: Choose your response. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. The insult, the failure, the loss. None of these define you. What defines you is your choice. But here's what nobody tells you: your reaction plants seeds. Anger breeds more chaos. Calm breeds clarity. Courage breeds opportunity. Every choice today shapes your future tomorrow." Lesson 4: Remember death. Marcus Aurelius warned, you could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think. Most people delay life, waiting for the right time, pretending tomorrow is guaranteed. And then death arrives, and they beg for more time. Peace is not found in delay, it is found in urgency. Speak today, act today, live today. Because one day, today will be your last. Lesson 5: Waste no time. Seneca exposed the greatest lie. Life is not short. We make it short by wasting it. Hours vanish in distraction, years vanish in hesitation, and then we cry that time cheated us. But here's the truth. Time is not missing. You are. Guard it. Invest it. Spend it on what builds, not what drains. A man who values time never calls life too short. Lesson 6: Master yourself or remain a slave. Epictetus declared, "No man is free who is not master of himself." You may own wealth, status, and freedom, yet still be a prisoner to anger, lust, envy, and fear. If your impulses rule you, chains remain. But here is the liberation. When you master your thoughts, emotions, and actions, no one can enslave you. You walk through the world untouchable. That is real freedom. We've already uncovered 6 Stoic lessons that can rebuild the foundations of your mind. But there are 6 more. And these final ones carry the power to completely transform how you see life, pain, and even yourself. Lesson 7: Guard the gate of your mind. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself daily, your mind will be colored by the thoughts you allow in. Just as a fortress falls if the gates are left open, your mind collapses if you let every rumor, every insult, every distraction march inside. But here's the hidden truth. Most people are not defeated by enemies outside, but by the ones they allow in. Guard your attention. Decide what enters. Not every voice deserves a seat in your mind. Lesson 8: Turn obstacles into fuel. The Stoics believed the obstacle is the way. Marcus wrote, "What stands in the way becomes the way." Every difficulty is not a wall. It is raw material. Fire thrives on resistance. Muscles grow under weight. Wisdom grows through hardship. Ask yourself, when life throws obstacles, do you curse them or do you forge strength from them? Every obstacle is a chance to build a stronger mind. Lesson 9. Value character over reputation. Epictetus said, "If you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid. Reputation is smoke, character is stone. The crowd's opinion shifts like wind, your inner virtue remains." But here's the cliffhanger. Most people sell their peace chasing approval. They decorate the outside while the inside rots. Stop. Build character. Let reputation rise or fall. Only one belongs to you. Lesson 10. Practice gratitude daily. Seneca advised, "He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things he has not, but rejoices for those which he has." Gratitude is not decoration, it is medicine. It shifts your gaze from what is missing to what is present. But here's the truth. Without gratitude, the richest man is poor. With gratitude, the poorest man is rich. Peace of mind begins with thankfulness. Lesson 11. Accept nature's course. The Stoics taught that everything unfolds according to nature. To resist is to fight the ocean. To accept is to sail with the wind. Death, loss, change. These are not errors. They are the order of the universe. But here's the transformation. Once you accept nature's course, even pain becomes bearable, because it is no longer an enemy. It is part of the design. Lesson 12. Live by reason, not impulse. Epictetus declared, "When you are offended, remember, it is not the person who insults you, but your interpretation. Reason is your crown. Impulse is your chain. Think of it. Animals lash out. Slaves obey emotions. But the Stoic pauses, reflects, and chooses. And in that choice lies power. Each time you act with reason, you prove your mastery." The hidden code. Now step back. Can you see the pattern? Control only what is yours. Don't suffer twice. Choose your response. Remember death. Waste no time. Master yourself. Guard your mind. Turn obstacles into fuel. Value character over reputation. Practice gratitude. Accept nature's course. Live by reason. Together, these 12 lessons form a code. A Stoic code that can fix your thinking, strengthen your mind, and free you from chains most people never see. But here's the warning. Knowing is not enough. If you memorize these but fail to live them, your thinking will remain broken. Only practice builds the fortress. Only daily action rewires the mind. If these lessons resonate with you, imagine how much more wisdom you'll uncover by walking further with us. Subscribe now, and let's keep sharpening the mind together. Like this video if you're ready to live by this code, and share it with someone who needs to fix their thinking, because sometimes one lesson is enough to change a life. The next lesson may surprise you even more, because if Stoicism can fix your thinking, it can also transform how you face pain, fear, and even death itself. And that shift may be the greatest power you ever discover.